Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to talk about adjectives in English grammar. By the way, if you'd like to go even deeper and really master clear and confident American English pronunciation, I've put together a course with practical exercises and engaging practice techniques. You can find the link just below this video. All right, let's get back to it. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, this is a big house. She is wearing a beautiful dress. It's a cold day today. In each sentence, the adjective tells us more about the noun. Where do adjectives go? In English, adjectives usually come before the noun. A red car. A tall building. But adjectives can also come after the verb to be. The car is red. The building is tall. Different types of adjectives. There are many kinds of adjectives. Let's look at a few. Opinion adjectives. We use them for what we think about something. Some examples include beautiful, boring, and interesting. For example, this is an interesting book. Size adjectives. It is used to say how big or small something is. Some examples include big, small, tall, and short. For example, he lives in a big apartment. Age adjectives. These are used to describe how old something is. Some examples include young, old, and new. For example, it's a new phone. Color adjectives. These are used to describe the color of something. Some examples include red, blue, green, etc. For example, I like your blue shoes. Shape adjectives is used to describe the shape of something. Some examples include round, square, and flat. For example, the earth is round. Word order of adjectives. When we use more than one adjective, English has a natural order. For example, a beautiful big old white house. The order is usually opinion, size, age, color, noun. So we don't say a white big beautiful old house. That sounds strange. Practice time. I'll say a noun, and you try to add an adjective. Ready? Car. Can you describe it? Maybe a fast car. Dog. Can you describe it? Maybe a friendly dog. Weather. Can you describe it? Maybe cold weather. Great job. Quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. She is a teacher smart. B. She is a smart teacher. The correct answer is B. She is a smart teacher. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to speak American English more naturally, grab the full pronunciation course today. Link in the description. And that's it for today's lesson on adjectives in English grammar. If you found this helpful, don't forget to practice by writing 5 sentences using different adjectives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.